Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I haven't done tutorials in a while. I've actually been busy finishing up some college and doing some stuff with my job. So I got a bunch of crazy stuff going on there. But I decided, you know what, we're going to kind of finish up Copper Cube. They've actually started releasing some updates. They're actually doing some really awesome stuff, shadowing, normal map. So it's actually starting to get to the point to where it's like an early, like, decent build of Unity. So don't compare the two, but it's kind of like getting to the point where you can actually like start like doing some really awesome stuff. So in this tutorial series, we're going to do a top-down shooter. So this will be an actual port that's going to go to Android. I have like a storyline and everything. But I was like, hey, why don't we do an HTML, since Nico, the guy who develops this engine, did an update for HTML, and let's see if we can actually build a really good-looking video game with some, a decent amount of levels. You can't like pack a whole bunch of stuff onto an HTML site, really, especially like Bubblebox or a couple other style lists down below. But let's put a level that's coherent, has storyline, options, and like options, enemies, enemy AI, really awesome animations, and let's build something fully fleshed out and do the entire process. So we're gonna do a game similar to Helldivers, except this time it's not multiplayer or anything like that. It's just a single player type game. But I really like the concept. I really like how they design the levels and everything. Except this time, to keep everything kind of minimized, it's going to be on a space station. Now, a lot of you actually been wanting me to play around with the Godot engine because it now has visual scripting, and I've actually started working on a project to move this HTML project into Godot. But while it is actually better than what it used to be, I still have the occasional crash issue, or it will just, while I'm loading up a project, it will actually freeze, and it will freeze all my screens, and I have to close down everything. So as soon as I get to a workable, already built demo, and I start walking through the project, again, there's a lot of people already doing this, but I'm just going to do this for my channel, and then I'm going to be doing a 2D or a 3D card game that somebody has requested that I do, which I may actually have figured out how to do in the Copper Cube engine. So what I have so far is a character that's free on Unity. Again, I will actually post the link down below so you guys can actually download him. I went to Mixamo, again, I will link that down below. Animated him, imported him into Copper Cube. So he's a MS3D. Again, that's pretty much the only animated format I actually fully trust in this game engine. Separated out his animations, put a collision box on him, set up a default animation. Again, these are his animations. And actually what I would like to do is be able to set this entire level as a downloadable for you guys to play with, but I'm still having issues finding fully free sources out there. And with game level, I did actually have to buy from the Unity Play Store, because I want the entire game to look like it came from an actual source. The game ship I am actually going to link, since I had an artist build that. So basically the premise is scientists researching something, and then you have to destroy, some sort of monster invasion or something like that. Basically bugs. That's the simplest, project that we're going to be doing. So you're going to be shooting bugs, collecting weapons, save points. So every time you go to one of these computers, it's actually going to be a save point. I'm playing with the idea of having 3 save points, like 1, 2, and 3, or it is 1 as in the old style type game. And then we're going to have information panels of these. So you go to these and you collect information or from tablets that you'll pick up from either they're lying about or from deceased scientists or soldiers. And then we'll have some weapons, and then you'll have some surprises down the line. But again, comment down below on like what you would like to have this incorporated that you're having issues with in your own project. This will be a playable project on several HTML websites. I don't know if it would fully work in Flash because a lot of people are actually discontinuing Flash support, even though the game engine still, for now, supports it. So this isn't just the only level. I actually have, oops, wrong one. 4 levels designed, but in this current version of Blender, I'm actually having issues exporting each level. So I have to do it in parts. So they're literally finished. These are going to be power cells, so that's why they're not textured yet. But pretty much everything is done. You just kill monsters, you kill alien eggs, you collect keys. It's top down, you know. It's gonna have a slightly higher difficulty since it's gonna be based off, not really off, but based on a certain type of game. Helldivers, and then we're gonna upload that onto a bunch of sites. So hopefully, guys, you'll enjoy this tutorial. Should release a video about that today. I just would like to intro a project, have you guys discuss it in the comments down below, and then like I said, we're going to be basically building the same thing and a card game in the Godhead engine and then the Copper Cube engine. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Comment down below on stuff like stuff that you're having issues with, features or something like that, and then we can actually get the ball rolling into this tutorial and future projects. So bye guys.